vibes vandaag.
We are so wait, sorry. Hi guys. We should have started this vlog at home.
At home, yeah.
But like initially the vlog was not a plan.
Yeah.
But like we just arrived and we're like, ish, we should have started vlogging.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I'm starting this shit way too late. Yo guys, wait, I've been waiting. Yo, these people are driving slow. Okay, but here they come. Thank you. Word of the day, Bafana. Word of the day.
Where are we parking?
Bafana, I don't know.
Anywhere.
I don't know. Tango Baba.
Anyways, we're at Wav Magesh.
Oh my gosh, what? Stadium,
Yeah.
sports ground, type thing.
Yeah.
And yeah, guys, the cars here.
We are too high.
Yeah,
You see those of you guys that look at our cars and like,
And
yo,
you're like, hey,
you're on
yeah,
the
yeah,
floor.
no,
We're
what,
not,
what?
no.
Humble.
Humble. I don't know why I parked. I don't know why I agreed to park.
And motivated, honestly. Because
Motivated.
if I just show you like
He dropped without a break. Marata with a jack. Pumas. Oh, sorry guys, I'm distracted. I also want to drop to show height.
let's do something new.
Thing
Let's
is,
go for a break,
yeah.
let's go. Guys, novice, please make us look for.
Ongene ngestina, uyophuma ngestina. Stin in, stin out. Thank
Yeah. So that you can go to show high. Hi, Spelan, guys. Hi. What are we dying for here? Hi, now we are going around looking for bricks. Yo, I resistance people, guys.
You're also.
Hi, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
me alone, please leave me alone. Leave me alone, please leave me alone.
Sakani is a liar. He's also a stunt driver.
Hi, Marayo. Hi. Oh, there's someone's car. Why is he not in the show? Okay, wait. I saw.
What part of it?
Doing the work.
That one.
Like to say hi. He's grumpy, but he agreed to drop the show.
Break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag 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 it up. Tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up.
Love exchange to show me that you understand my game. Can you blow my mind?
is far. Your home is far.
Guys, this place when we checked when we were at home, it was 35 minutes away. It took us more than an hour.
To get here, literally. Yeah, I have no words. Like I'm tired. Like
It was nice.
it's nice. It's going down, but yeah, now. Hi.
You guys do this every week.
I wanna go home. I wanna go home to see my mommy.
I don't need honey, he wants tsunami. All my niggas might be really get that good punani. I think he needs a bunny, I might just let him find me. Never trust a big butt, and the smile worth the Ronnie. Rep queens like Supreme, ass web, dick, ass been me and Joe. Nigga run me my dog. This game is freezing like it waiting to cow. Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Pink Lamborghini, just a race with China. What the race to China? Just a race to China. Little bad Trini bitch, but she mixed with China. Real big vagina, smuggle bricks to China. I kill all my niggas, cut the check, bust it out, turn your goofy down. I'm a Smith when he gets the dick. I'm a bad bitch, I'ma go fix it. I'ma bust it open, I'ma go stupid and beat this.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck
Yeah, I feel you guys are home now. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and stuff. Catch you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. All the poisons made it home safely. Shot the I-20 went home. Hey, I-20 lives super fast. So, yeah, but we're all still alive. We all had a good day. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Danko.